Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got my first beauty box unboxing for June and it is Lookfantastic. I've just opened it up. It's got my address on the top there. Little sneak peek. If you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then as always you'll find a timestamp listed down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. So the Lookfantastic box is a monthly subscription box that ships internationally. It costs £15 a month and inside you receive 6 beauty items. Each box has a minimum value of £50 and sometimes we get the odd freebie as well. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which means you can cancel any month, but then you can also opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Lookfantastic have given me a code to share with you, which is my channel name, Diaryofabeautygeek. If you were to use that, you will receive your first box for £12 this month. You will find a link to it down below in my description, as well as my Lookfantastic site-wide code, which is DiaryLF, which will entitle you to up to around 21% off. Not the beauty boxes though, it's all the other beauty products on the website. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Starting off, we've got Lana Lips. This is a lip scrub in coconut with real ground coconut shell. This is full size. Lana Lips is a really nice brand. We have had different products from this brand in different beauty boxes over the last couple of years. So yeah, it's nice. I think I've had this one before. 100% natural balm-based scrub that both smooths and hydrates, made with gentle sugar and real finely ground coconut shell pieces to soothe away dead skin, while the 70% lanolin deeply hydrates. Ooh! Okay, just a little bit came out, but that's fine as long as that doesn't roll off. There. Can you see? It's not really harsh, but you can feel it. You know it's going to give a really good scrub on your lips. Smell. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells like chocolate. Coconut chocolate. It smells amazing. I know I'll be licking that on my lips. So yeah, so we've got a Lana Lips lip scrub there. I've just seen that you will either receive coconut or you'll receive strawberry and it retails for £8. Next up, we got something for your hair. This is Olaplex number 9 and this is a Bond Perfector Nourishing Hair Serum. Antioxidant rich serum improves manageability, soothes and protects for all hair types. And there's 20 mils there. The serum is designed to target dry and damaged hair. You apply it to damp or towel dry hair, bring it through your hair from the mid-lengths and ends, and then you blow dry it as normal. You only need a tiny bit as well. And this is worth £6. Next, we've got some hair clips. These are Lookfantastic's own brand hair clips. There's 4 here. They're no crease clips, and these are worth £9. I use these all the time when I'm applying makeup. If I've washed my hair, then my hair is easy just to tie back out the way. But if I haven't washed it, then I've got all this fluff hair all around my face. So having these are really handy just to get it off my forehead. I cannot stand having any hair around my face when I'm doing skincare or makeup. And yeah, the thought of having foundation in my hair as well, I don't like it. So yeah, so I use these all the time. And they don't leave any marks on your hair like normal clips do. So yeah, so it's a handy makeup skincare sort of staple there. Next, we've got an eye mask. This is Beauty Pro Warming Eye Mask. There's 1 in here. Relaxing Chamomile Self-Warming Eye Mask. It's worth £2. You normally get them in like a pack of 5, I think, or maybe 15. I can't remember now. If I open it up, then it will be activated and then I'll have to use it right now. Which I'm not going to do because obviously I've got an afternoon of filming to do. But you literally take the top off, open the mask out. You can see on the back there, this is obviously if you've never tried this before, which is why I'm explaining. And you just hook it over your ears. Really good if you suffer from headaches as well. It's warming, it's not really extremely hot, and it is long lasting. Now they say, I'm sure I've read before, that they say, you know, leave on for about 20 minutes or so. No, I've left mine on a lot longer. The heat just goes slowly away. Perfect for travel, if you struggle to sleep at night, or as I said, if you suffer from headaches. So yeah, so we've got a sheet mask, no, not a sheet mask, an eye mask there. Next we've got mascara. This is from Swede and this is a Pro Lash Lift Mascara in black. And this is worth £22. Now look at this wand. That wand is tiny. But it gets right in at the lashes and it's supposed to really lengthen and define your lashes. I have tried this before, I'm sure. I have tried a Swede mascara in the past. I'm not sure if it's this one or not, I can't remember. This type of mascara would be really great if you've got quite fair lashes, or if you've got fair roots and darker ends, which some people do, so it means you can get right in the roots. And obviously the closer you get to the roots, then your lashes instantly appear a bit longer anyway. I'm sure I've tried a mascara from Swede which I didn't like before. I can't remember if it's this one or not, I'm really sorry. Maybe you know. Maybe you can, yeah, I remember you trying that, Claire. No, you didn't like it. Or no, it's another Swede mascara. I don't know. I will be trying it for a reel, so you'll get to see what it looks like on my lashes if you follow me over on Instagram. And then lastly, we've got a bath and shower oil. This is by Aromatherapy Associates, and this is Revive Morning, and there's 9 mils there. It's supposed to energise and invigorate your mind, and this size is worth £12. It smells so nice. Why am I... Yeah, have a sniff. Go on. Tell me what you think. It is so lovely. I put these in my foot bath. I find it a little bit too slippery in the showers. Whenever I receive any little ones like this, little bath and shower oils like this, and they smell amazing, then I put a few drops in my foot bath. So yes, so there's that, and those are all the products inside the June Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So you got a lip scrub by Lana Lips. You'll either receive a coconut one or a strawberry one. You've got a nourishing hair serum by Olaplex. It's Olaplex number 9. You got some Lookfantastic no crease clips for your hair. Got a Beauty Pro warming eye mask. You got a Swede Pro Lash Lift mascara. And you got Aromatherapy Associates, and this is Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. And there you go. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a regular subscriber to the beauty box? Are you excited to receive it? Are you going to subscribe to receive this box, which you'll be able to do so from the 1st of June onwards? Or are you thinking, no, this box isn't for me this month? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.